Hello everyone, today we are going to be talking about List.Pop, and we're also going to be talking about List.Replace as well. Now we're going to start with List.Pop, and what List.Pop does is it returns the item present at a given index, but it also removes the item from the list. Now let's create a list called languages. And this will be a bunch of different programming languages. We'll put in Python. Let's have Java. Let's have C, C#, C++, and let's just throw in. Let's just throw in French. Why not? Okay. Now that we've got this list that we've declared with a bunch of different languages in, programming and normal, we are going to make a variable. So if we create a variable saying return value and assign that to languages.pop, and then the index you want to remove, so say we want to remove 2. Remember, our index starts at 0, so this is 0, 1, 2, so we want to pop 2. So if we want to remove C, we're going to pop 2. And now if we print return underscore value and run this script, you'll actually see, or you won't, depending on how you look at it. Hold on, run module, there we go. You'll see it actually prints C, which is what we've just removed. But there is also a downside. If we also print languages afterwards and then run it, you'll see it's removed C from this list. So pop.pop can be it can be useful for removing an item out of a list at a specific index, but also using that item that you've just removed. But you can declare it to a variable, which can be quite useful. Okay, now we're going to talk about List.remove. Now, if we create my list here, which is going to contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what numbers 1 to 7, and we then say my list.remove. Now, what we want to do is, well, first of all, the remove method. It's important to understand the remove method removes the first matching element from the list. So here we don't want to put an index. If we want to remove the number 3, that's obviously index 2. So we don't put remove 2, we actually put remove 3. So pop uses an index to remove, and .remove just uses the item. So say you want to remove the number 4, you'd put a 4 in here. You'd put whatever you want to remove in there. And then we print my list and run this. You can see it's removed number 4. So pop does work a bit different. That is basically it. That's all there really is. And I know there wasn't a lot to this video. You can also do the same with strings, which I'll show you that now. Hi, hello, how are you? And that is meant to be a question mark. And now if we remove hello and then run this, you can see hello's been removed. So it does work with anything, any type of list. So that's all I really wanted to show you today, everyone, to be honest. So thanks for watching. I know this was a very short video, but it's going to start getting a bit harder now. We're going to start picking up the pace now with the series. We're going to get into the harder part of the series from now on. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.